Today I'm going to show you how to shorten the straps on two different types of shirts, so let's get started. You'll need a tube of speedsew fabric glue, fabric scissors, a seam ripper, and pins. So for shirt number 1, the seam will be in the middle of the strap. Simply start by grabbing your seam ripper and separating the front and back sides. Once that's done for both sides, cut off the strap's rough edges. Now grab your speedsew fabric glue, a Q-tip for a precise application, and a dish or container lid to squeeze the speedsew onto. Fold the edges in and pin them together. And to ensure that both sides are even, you can fold the shirt in half and check. Remove the pins on one side and start applying glue. Fold the pieces back together, apply pressure, and lightly repin the two sides of the strap together. And repeat the same steps on the other side. Let the straps dry for about 20 minutes, then you can remove the pins. Now for shirt number 2 with the strap seam in the back, simply repeat the same steps.